It's the Aspiring Actors Guide to New York. Yeah.
What is up, party people? This week is week 2 of a 2-part series called How to Pack for Tour. If you're on your first tour and you don't know what you're doing, like me, and I had to do a lot of research to figure out how am I going to live out of a suitcase for 9 months. If you don't feel like you got enough information out of last week's video and this week's video, check out Erin Sullivan's book, Theatrical Baggage. That's where I got most of my information about how to pack for tour. So last week we talked about what to put in your carry-on / backpack. I'm going to try to keep it down to 2 bags. If I get overwhelmed on tour and discover that I need 1 more bag, I'll let you guys know. So we're going to go through all of the things that I am planning on bringing on tour and how I'm staying organized. So first things first, this is going to be my checked bag for tour. I kind of stole it from my wife. She knows I took it. She's on board with the idea. This is the bag I'm going to be living out of. So, packing cubes. Packing cubes are a godsend. This packing cube contains all of my ties, not all of them. I'm bringing 4 ties with me on tour to be able to change it up if we ever decide we're going to be fancy. So these blue packing cubes each contain a week's worth of underwear and socks, in case you are interested in what's going on downstairs. And these red packing cubes contain 7 shirts and 2 tank tops each, just in case I get inspired and start going to the gym while I'm on tour. I'm also bringing this laundry bag that's gonna just go in the suitcase or maybe might go loose underneath the bus. This packing cube contains a couple bottoms and a couple long sleeve tops. Everything that I'm not wearing and that isn't packed in the carry-on, this is all of my warm shirts and extra pants and shorts and whatnot. I went through this last week, but a packable lightweight jacket that you can layer that'll keep you warm. Throw this on with a hoodie and a long sleeve shirt and you are good to go in the winter. Winter is coming. Make sure you bring a pair of gloves, a scarf when you're on the road for 9 months, and when you're going to a bunch of different cities. You know, I might be in Mexico one week and then Canada the next week. Canada's colder than Mexico. So be ready for it every season when you're on tour. I'm bringing this pair of boots for when we're in the cold environments. I'm bringing my daily pair of shoes. I will probably run through these on the tour and I'll have to replace them, but we'll probably hit a lot of outlet malls on the tour. I'm also bringing 1 pair of dress shoes in case we want to go out and get fancy. I'm also, if you recall from last week, I'm packing all of these in shoe bags because you don't want your shoes intermingling with all of that other stuff. Don't want all that poop on my clothes. This is just a mic stand that I can also use as a tripod. It's small, fairly lightweight, and it gets the job done in a pinch. I've used this for a lot of my videos. All of my camera gear fitting in this cute little dog lunchbox. I've got some padding in there to keep them safe, but they're also going to be surrounded by clothes, so I think they'll be okay. This is a corkscrew / bottle opener. I want to keep this in my carry-on, but I'm nervous that I'm going to get it taken away by airport security every time we fly. When my wife's visiting and we want to drink a bottle of wine, I want to be able to open it for her. So let's see how all this stuff fits. I literally have not even tried this yet. So this is going to be an adventure. No! One other thing I forgot to mention, I'm bringing a luggage scale. It hasn't gotten in from Amazon yet, but it's very important to make sure you keep your bag under 50 pounds because that's gonna come out of your pocket. The company's not gonna pay for that business. So I know a lot of people on the tour are bringing 2 checked bags because they're allowed to. This is why you always do a dry run before you actually leave for a tour or before you leave for a big trip. And a 9-month tour is a big trip. Okay, I was gonna pack these shoes. I said these are my daily shoes. These are the ones I'm wearing on a daily basis. So what am I gonna wear if I pack them? Idiot! Boom. Oh, I didn't pack everything. Forgot the laundry bag. That just hit my tooth. Ow. And there you have it. I packed everything. And immediately as I said that, I realized I didn't because I have this closet full of, I'm bringing 6 dress shirts, including the one I'm wearing, 2 sports coats, 2 jackets, and 2 hoodies. That might be too much, but that also may have made up my mind about whether or not I'm bringing the big tripod. That's why you do a dry run, folks. You gotta try it before you buy it, so to speak. Can you tell I'm sweating? I'm so hot. It's so warm in here. So there you have it. I was able to pack the suitcase without expanding it, which is exactly what I want to do. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Tune in every Theater Thursday at 3. Well, I'll be releasing a new video just like this. I don't know what the content of the channel is going to be like now that I'm on the road. If you have questions, I will try to answer them. I may just be talking about what life on tour is like and what to expect from the different cities that you're going to visit, because I'm going to go to like 108 different cities. I will do my best to give you a heads up about what to expect from every city. Thanks so much for coming out. Chase your dreams. Subscribe and like if you like this video and this channel, and cheers.